G'day viewers, you read the title of this video correct. Car wash number 7. Does it get old? Not to me. It's just as exciting as the first one. So yes, I got car wash number 7, as the Germans might say, 7. And I'm heading to meet with the landlord to sign the lease and get the keys. So that's the exciting part, and then the work begins. So let's go ahead, let's sign this dang lease, let's get the dang keys, and let's start car wash number 7. Let's go give it a little tour, shall we? I'm excited. Well, this is it, the brand new car wash number 7, hot and foamy. So let's give you a little tour. It's definitely hot. Let's hope it's foamy. So first looking off, we have the Dixmoor timers, the big ones, I like them. We have the face plates with the 10 function rotary switch. How cool is that? We've got the bill acceptors already in the bays. What a big leg up. We've got the paneling on the wall. You can tell it needs replacing. It's obviously many years old and a little beat up and a little damaged, just like me. But we have the Hog's hair brushes. I like that. This is definitely not the worst car wash I've taken over. It's probably the best condition one. So obviously, should I replace that? I guess I'll replace that. Probably put new lighting in. I like having my super bright 30,000 lumen LED lights on the roof shining down, brighten this place up. Used to be an automatic in this bay. You can see the pay station's still here. It's in fantastic condition. Really, really good condition. Might be able to resell it as brand new. So this used to be the automatic, obviously no more. This bay is down. Actually, it's working. We just need to add the hoses in, add the bill acceptor, get it going. But let's go inside. I know you're all waiting to see what it looks like inside. 2 bill changes. The old school rose, my favorite. Yes, I already unlocked the door. I don't keep it unlocked. Wow, look at this. This is quite neat for what I am used to when I take over a car wash. Full soap, very nice. Here's our tanks, chemical tanks. And then here's the pumps and motors. We've got 3-phase motors. We've got a mixture of cap pumps. We got a 3 CPO. We got a 310. We got a 310S. So another 3 CPOs. But hey, they're here. They're working. So we use them till they don't. Vending supply, very generous. Compressor looks very new and decent. Very happy about that. Still got the tag on and all. RO system works well. There's actually air dryers already here. They're not connected to the bays by any means. There's not even hoses in the bays or whatever, but they are sitting there. So I'll probably be able to use them. Worst case, I'll get new ones, the ones that I'm used to. We've got the spot-free tanks up there. And this is it. So obviously I'm gonna put my little special touches on it. Like I said, this car wash really doesn't need a full remodel like my other ones. My other ones, I would like rip out everything. I would gut them because it was all so old, didn't even work. But this car wash is open, it's running, things are working. It just needs little adjustments. It needs updating. You know, I know the foam brush is a little slow to come out. You know, I'd like it to come out within 6 seconds. A lot more thicker and foamier. It's got the old Procon pumps right here. So I'll probably upgrade that to the low pressure system, which I'm familiar with, that I know, and get it coming out just the way I like it, within 6 seconds, a nice big thick blob falling every second, where the customers are happy. I might have to drill one more hole here just so it drains, otherwise it's just sitting water. Almost looks flooded, but it doesn't. And then we've got to vacuum up the front over there, which does not work. Missing the faceplate and the hose and everything, so I'll have to rebuild that. Besides that, it's got beautiful curb appeal, good concrete, little bit cracked, but compared to my other Covina car wash, it's so good. Nice bushes with plants and green trees, nice curb appeal, makes you want to come on in, wash your car at the back. We've got vines over the back wall. It's just beautiful. And should we test stuff? Yeah, let's test stuff. Alright, we got 5 smackers. Make sure it works. Very nice. So I'm gonna have to put a horn in here. It doesn't make any noise, so horn's always good. TC tire cleaner. It's gonna come out of this gun right here. Okay. Okay. There it is. So again, I'll probably put the tire cleaner on a separate coil hose with a separate brush, because right now, you know, I can't scrub it. I don't want to use that brush, that's for the body of the car. But just like my other ones, you guys know how I do it. Customers like to scrub it up, dub their tires, get all the dirt and grime off. Bug off. This is new to me. I don't have bug off at any of my car washes until now. So that's the tire cleaner coming through the lines. Still tire cleaner. And that's the bug off. You can see it switch over from like the green tire cleaner. But that's pretty good. It's great pressure. It's like a high pressure bug off. Plenty of chemical. I'm a fan, I like that. I don't know how much it gets used from the customers, but I'm about to find out. So this is pre-soak. You all know I have pre-soak coming out of a coil hose over there, similar to that one, but that's the Color Foam conditioner. So let's check out the high pressure pre-soak. That still looks like the bug off. And then I guess that's the pre-soak here, which is a very generous amount. It's kind of cool, I like it. I mean, it doesn't have to come out of a coil hose, it's just what I do, that's my car wash recipe. But this high pressure pre-soak is, man, I like that. That's pretty cool. Will I start something different? Hard to change what works, but this is the high pressure soap. So that's the pre-soak still coming out. I mean, it's going to be hard to tell when it changes over, I guess, when it thins out. So right now is the high pressure soap. You can tell it's a little thinner, but it's still probably a perfect amount. I mean, customers see it. I like that. That's good. I wouldn't even need to change that. Foam brush. So this is the big test. This is the one that all customers use. If you have a good foam brush, you got a good car wash. It's almost time to change the brush head. See, it comes out a little slow. I like to be big blobs right now. It's been about, what, 10, 15 seconds. "20 seconds, I guess, 22, 23. But right now, I mean, they've probably done I don't know, 1/6 of the car. Just making up random numbers here, because how can I possibly know? But that's basically what the soap brush is like. Not the worst I've seen. I've seen car washes where nothing comes out. But again, room for improvement. Nice big thick blob, boom, 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 every second, like my other car washes. But again, it's on a Procon pump, it's a lot older. So, low pressure system, looking pretty good right about now. What's NXT? Foam gun. So this is the foam gun. It's actually working. Somewhat. It's a hot day, it doesn't want to work. It's like, I don't want to work today, I'm taking the day off. But it's coming. Just like Christmas. We need some air. We need the air to kick in so it fans. Right now it's just a straight line like P, but we need a V. We need some air. So again, that's as good as that's going to get until I make the adjustments of adding more air. So customers probably won't be too thrilled about that. I mean, putting it on the car, it's kind of like, not that exciting, but a nice big powerful V. How's it go? But hey, something's coming out. Gloss wax. Let's see what the gloss wax is up to. But this is all mine. I own this now. This is on me. This is my responsibility. Gloss wax. So the high pressure soap is coming out of the lines. It should have cleared by now. So what you're seeing should be gloss wax, aka wax, and I can see it. I mean, that's pretty good. Customers shouldn't complain about that. Probably don't even have to change the wax. I don't have to do anything to this place. Just sit back and collect the cash. Rinse is rinse. Don't even need to show you that. So let's finish off with the spot free. Yes, it has spot free, which I'm very happy about. And I'll finish the Tacoma with the spot free and should be it. So there it is. That's how the new car wash functions. Car wash number 7. Little upgrades here and there, but again, nothing crazy. It's open, it's bringing in money. And that's a bonus compared to all the other car washes I've gotten. Being closed for 2 months renovations, making nothing. So very happy. And here it's still $2 for 4 minutes. So once I'm done with upgrading and making sure everything's 100%, new wall paneling, making it nice, then I'll go to $3 for 5 minutes. So I'm going up $1, but I'm also going up a minute. So it's really not like it's raising the price $1 because you're getting more time. It kind of almost evens out. It's just a lower start base, if that makes sense. It should, don't know why I wouldn't. Anyway, I'm gonna lock up my brand new car wash and get out of here. And I'm gonna be back first thing in the morning to figure out what I'm gonna do. Well, it's time to get out of here. It's 100 degrees. And get excited about this brand new car wash with all the brand new people in the area, all the fun people in the area hanging out. So let's film it as I drive by. Let's do a drive-by. Get the raindrops off the window. Put the window down for a clear view of the hot and foaminess. Love you! But that's it. It was a nice break. You know, once I got done renovating the Covina car wash, basically I'd do Covina, I'd do Fontana, and I'd be done around 11 a.m. and then I got the rest of the day. So I was getting hella bored. So I was out looking for more car washes, and this one all happened pretty quickly. I think from the time I found it to doing the deal, getting the keys today, it was like 6 weeks. So again, putting in that work, getting out there, scouting, finding car washes and making deals happen. So I'm very excited, very happy. Now I have something to do during the day. So that's it, guys. New car wash unlocked. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. Stay tuned for more videos on the new car wash.